Welcome to Longxin Laser. Longxin Laser, a high-tech enterprise with a rich history of 17 years, dedicated to the field of laser industrial applications, with extensive experience in research and development. We specialize in laser tube cutting, laser sheet cutting, pipe automation, and more. In our commitment to customer-centric principles and value creation, Longxin Laser strives to provide global industrial laser cutting and welding solutions that are both automated and intelligent. Our integrated approach encompasses the research, production, and sales of laser cutting and welding equipment. With over 1,000 employees, we annually produce more than 6,000 laser cutting machines, positioning ourselves as leaders in the domestic market for laser tube cutting. Key to our continued leadership is our active and sustained investment in research and development. Our dedicated team of over 100 experienced researchers ensures that we stay ahead of the curve, keenly understanding customer needs and consistently delivering innovative and updated products. Longxin Laser's tube cutting equipment boasts a wide product range, covering diameters from 2 mm to 1,000 mm. Our machines stand out with faster speed, higher precision, making laser cutting applicable across various industries. In the section of sheet metal cutting, Longxin Laser boasts a heavy-duty bed for stability during high-speed operations, while a cast aluminum beam reduces weight, minimizing resistance and maximizing cutting speed. We are dedicated to delivering cost-effective cutting solutions. Our comprehensive pre-sales and after-sales service system, with a professional after-sales turn of over 150 engineers and service centers in major regions globally, we are ready to provide prompt and high-quality service to our customers. Longxin Laser currently exports equipment to over 80 countries, receiving consistent praise from satisfied customers. We ensure that users worldwide can experience Longxin Laser's machines up close and receive rapid, serious response.